UTech.
Set your network profile to private for home and work networks. Press Windows key plus I to open settings. Go to Network and Internet. Open Change Connection Properties. Switch the network profile from public to private. Check the sharing settings. Press Windows key plus R and type Control. Click on Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Go to Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Turn on Network Discovery, turn on File and Printer Sharing. Press Save Changes. Check the Windows Services, Function Discovery Resource Publication and Function Discovery Provider Host. Press Windows key plus R and type services.msc. In Services window, look for Function Discovery Resource Publication and Function Discovery Provider Host. If the service isn't running, right-click on it and go into Properties. Start the service and set it on Automatic Delayed Start. Press Apply and OK. Do the same for the other service. If the service is running, restart the service and make sure it is set on Automatic Delayed Start. It is possible you might need to restart the Function Discovery Resource Publication service every time you turn on the computer. In that case, check my other video of how to make a Windows service restart automatically.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check other videos.